Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to continue with the Python operations on Excel. So using Openpyxl library. So in the last lectures or in the last videos we learned about accessing the cells, and previous to that we learned about how to load the workbook. Okay, so if you have missed those videos you can just check it out. Okay, so today we will see how to slice the workbook. Okay, like how to do the slicing in the workbook. Okay, so this part is for the next. Okay, so how to slice the worksheet. Okay, so basically let's load the workbook here first. Okay, so let's load the workbook, and if you can see here I am assigning the sheet 1 to WS. Okay, and then cells I am assigning WS of A1 till B2. So basically what it will do is from this A1 to B2, so basically till here, so 1 2 4 and 5 it will assign. Okay, now if I go to cells you can see A1 B1 A2 B2. Okay, so A1 B1 and A2 and B2. Okay, so this is how it assigns the cells, or slicing you can consider. Okay, and if you want to print the values here you can use a for loop here. So for I in cells, so basically I in this A1 B1 A2 B2. Okay, and for J in I, so basically it will go from 0, so this is length of 2, so 0 and 1 it will go. Okay, and from J to I, that means this is I is suppose this. Okay, it will print j dot value. If this is I, it will print j dot value, and we are concatenating it. Okay, so if I print this you will see 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how you can print the values using slicing. Okay, so hope this helps. So basically what we are doing is we are iterating through these cells, and then we are iterating through each cell of I, and then we are printing j dot value. Okay, so end is nothing but we are just concatenating this 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, so if I can see 1 2 4 and 5, and if you want to get like 1 2 till here, so it should be A3 A2 B3. Okay, so let's give B3 here. So yeah, this should work. Now 1 2 4 5 and 7 8, 1 2 4 5 and 7 8. Okay, now if you want C also you can update it. So basically C3 we can print here. Okay, so this is how it goes. So whatever changes you make, you just need to update it. Okay, so this is how using slicing you can print the data of Excel. Okay, so hope this helps. So if you learned something from this video, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care, bye bye.